Welcome to this section on list views on Xamarin.Android. List views are something you're going to use again and again, and there is really no way to avoid them if you're a developer on mobile platforms. It also applies to iOS and Windows Phone. First of all, in this section, I'm going to show you exactly what a list view is and all of the necessary parts for it. But I'm going to show you in a pictorial way without any coding, so you can get the concepts in your head and cemented for when we dive into the code. Then I'm going to construct a very basic list view with a standard cell. So we're going to make a list view in 3 lines of code using standard Android methods. We'll look at how to create list click events, so how to make an action happen when you click an item. We'll also create custom adapters that allow you to do special things like change certain indexes in your list. For example, in the screenshot, you can see a red background. Then we'll create custom cells, because the cell or the row is the individual item in your list that displays the data, and most people will have a requirement to show custom data rather than just a line of text, as is the standard row provided by Android. Finally, we're going to look at fast scrolling and indexing for when you have really long lists and you want to navigate them quickly.